I'd like to introduce to you the installation and use of a 2021 new guided radio wireless talk and talkie. It is an integrated device for wireless two-way calling and wireless talkie indicator, low delay, strong anti-interference, long distance, easy to use, and so on. Take the ATEM switchboard as an example. 1. Connect the antenna to the host and pull the antenna to a position 1 meter away from the host. 2. Connect the cable to the LAN port of the host and connect the other end to the network port of the ATEM switchboard or one of the network switches or one of the ATEM original factory panels. 3. Connect the 12-volt power supply. 4. Connect the host to the headset or gooseneck microphone. Select the mic select to the correct position and turn on. After flickering and self-check, all the indicator lights on the front panel can be used. 5. Connect the extension to the earphone. Turn the potentiometer on, press the right button on the earphone or the right button.
Hey. Hello?
On the side of the extension to talk with other devices.
Hey. Hello?
The talkie effect is shown below. Red 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Green 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Button effect. Caught, auto,